All right, so this is how you edit a PDF and turn it in if your teachers want you to do that. Go to your Google Classroom and find the assignment that you want to work on. Click View Assignment. And under your work, click the PDF that you want to edit. And then in the upper right, you're going to press the button that looks like a printer. And once that opens, you're going to press in the upper right the icon that looks like an arrow coming out of a box. And you're going to choose Save to Files. And iCloud Drive is fine. You can press Save. Then you're going to go out of the web browser and go into your files. So it looks like a little blue file folder. And open the document that you want to edit. And then you're going to click in the upper right the icon that looks like a little marker, the tip of a marker. And then you will have the ability to make your changes. When you're all done, press the Done button, and it'll save that. Then go back to your web browser. Go back to the assignment page. Press Add or Create on the right-hand side here. And choose File. It has the little paper clip next to it. In the very middle of the screen, press Select Files from your device. Choose Browse. And then find the file you want to attach, the one that you edited. And press the Upload button in the lower left. You probably want to delete the one that you didn't edit by using the X key. And then don't forget to press the Turn In button.